Instead of guessing what data is available, Minexa.ai automatically discovers and ranks relevant fields so developers and non-developers can scrape real estate listings quickly. Go to the raya.com page you want to scrape. Everything from here is automatic. Launch Minexa.ai. One interface. Any website. Press the button. Minexa.ai begins reading how the page loads and organizes its data to detect the real estate listings. Every page will be scraped. Minexa.ai detected the navigation pattern and applies it automatically on every run. Select whether to scrape only what is visible on the list, or also navigate into each row and extract its full detail page. Continue works for most pages. Advanced mode is for interactive layouts where data only appears after the user does something first. Check the highlighted section. Minexa.ai selected the block wrapping all the data, not individual fields, and will automatically detect all columns inside it during analysis. All data points are detected. Browse the full list and select the columns you need, like price, location, and property features, or click any element to add it to your dataset. Click API Request to get Python code you can drop straight into a scheduled job or automated workflow to scrape this data regularly. One more step. Click Complete Configuration before the final setup is complete. Pagination is locked in. Every run will automatically move through all pages and collect the full dataset. Click to create your scraping job. If recurring data is useful, a daily or weekly schedule can be set right here. Click Run, and Minexa.ai starts extracting immediately, applying the trained scraper across all pages with deterministic rules and no reanalysis at runtime. Every column you see stayed within the right section of the page. Irrelevant ads and sidebars never made it into your dataset. Typical data points include price, address, number of rooms, and area, giving you clean, accurate real estate details. Export to Excel or JSON. Both formats keep the same structure, so the data works consistently wherever you use it. One system for crawling, rendering, and extraction, so you never need to assemble or maintain separate tools again.